Thank you for your using of Hathaway's HCBT-01 Helicobacter pylori analyzer. In this video, we will introduce the functions and show you how to operate and calibrate it for following minutes. Check the installing environment. Should avoid infection of water and other liquids to the instrument. To ensure stable atmospheric pressure, 75 kPa to 106 kPa. Temperature, 15 to 30 centigrade. Humidity, less than or equal to 75% and good ventilation. Avoid direct sunlight, dust, influence of soil wet or sulfur air. Wireless interference should be avoided to ensure the stability of the power supply. Should be installed in flat and stable surface. Avoid vibration. Rough handling is forbidden. Keep away from chemicals and harmful gas zone. Stay away from strong magnetic field and avoid X-ray interference. No less than 10 centimeters should be left around the instrument. There should be enough space in front of the instrument for connecting and changing the sample bag. Package dismantle. Check if all the items are intact and consistent with packing list attached after unpacking the package. Check if the instruments are injured or whether any parts or accessories damaged or missing. Power supply voltage AC 110 to 220 voltage, frequency 50 Hz plus minus 1 Hz. Power should be more than 250 volt ampere. Installing filter. Remove the protective cap of the filter connectors. Insert the filter into filter interface. Make sure insert to the end. Insert the filter cover into bayonet of instrument backplane. Push down filter cover. Make the instrument backboard stuck by filter mask. The power line connection. To avoid electric short injuries, turn off the power switch before connecting the power line. The power switch should be on the O scale. Configuration of the user's computer and printer. Please refer to the user menu. Connect device and computer with USB data cable. Connect the computer with the printer. Please follow the instructions of printers to connect and install the driver software. The PC software installation of instrument. Insert equipped software CD-ROM of HCBT-01 into CD driver. CD-ROM will run automatically. If the automatic running is disabled, please open My Computer. Into the CD driver root directory. Double-click the Setup Executive files. After initialization of component is finished automatically, the setup procedure can begin. According to the tips in the prompt dialog box, click Install and choose Installing Components. The system will complete installation process automatically. The program menu and desktop will generate shortcut automatically. Click 13C infrared spectrometer in the program menu bar or double-click the desktop shortcut icon to start the procedure. Open My Computer. Enter into the CD driver root directory. Double-click CP201. Install data line driver. Start the instrument man-free and run the program. Connect the instrument mainframe to operating computer by using USB communication cable. Turn on user computer. Then turn on the power switch of the instrument mainframe. Click the shortcut icon on the desktop or click 13 centigrade infrared spectrometer in the program menu bar line to start the procedure. When the procedure starts, there will be a main interface shown below. Click Spectrometer Connection button on the program main interface. Realize communication link between computer and instrument mainframe, so the instrument can be manipulated through the computer's program main interface. Warm-up and self-inspection. 1. Warm-up. When connected with the EC power supply, the device will warm up and adjust all system temperature automatically. It takes about 20 minutes, but different environment may extend or shorten the warm-up time slightly. If open the software and connect with host machine during warm-up process, in the main interface will display current status information in warning and prompt window in real time. 2. Self-inspection. Every time when turn on the device, it will automatically start self-inspection after warm-up process. When device isn't in use, press Self-inspection button. Device will start self-inspection also. The items including light source intensity, temperature of all parts, system stability, signal stability, indicator lights, valve, buzzer, pressure and tightness test and filter efficiency, etc. The self-inspection result display in warning and prompt window. After warm-up and self-inspection process, it will display normal working can make sample task. Only the normal working device can ensure the task accuracy of sample. Please ensure device run well before test. Three. QC Records column. Click on Quality Control Record column. Show all QC record historical information interface according to the time sequence. Click a single record or drag and check multiple record and make it light up. Then click on Print button, which on Quality Control Record interface to print the Quality Control Records list. The average less than or equal to 0.3. Standard deviation less than or equal to 0.3. The device is OK now. The setup of the print template. The setup of automatic printing. Sample collection. 1. Subjects be tested on the empty stomach or 2 hours after meal. 2. Fill subjects' required information with oil pen on the surface of the collector bag. 3. Collecting the initial breath sample. Remove the cap and breathe normally. Hold your breath and then exhale half of your breath and blow the rest to the connection bag and mark it after covering it. 4. Take an oral C13 Urea capsule with 80 to 100 milliliter drinking water. And then sit quietly for 30 minutes. 5. Collecting post-dose breath sample. Follow point 3 to collect your post-dose breath sample 30 minutes after taking 30C Urea capsule and mark it. Sample measuring. 1. Place the initial breath sample bag to baseline tunnel. And post-dose breath sample bag to sample tunnel. Then the sample tunnel stator indicates change from gray to green. Option indicate from gray to blue. All samples are correctly placed. Main interface function and operations. 1. Sample channel selection column. The channel number in the column signifies sample connector number. Each channel number corresponds to a set of sample connectors. Each interface corresponds to a status indicator and a selection box. When a set of samples are inserted into the instrument correctly, the corresponding status indicator will light. When one set of samples need to be measured, click corresponding checkbox to select. Only when 2 samples are inserted into the instrument correctly, as well as the status indicate light, can the channel be checked. 2. Filling in the patient information column. This column is used to input personal main information. If you don't input any information before measurement, the personal information of the samples will be stored in the database in default values when the measurement is completed. Default value for name is space character. Default value for gender is male. Default value for age is 0. Default value for number is 4-figure year number plus 2-figure month number plus 2-figure data number plus 6-figure time when measure finished. For example, if the sample measurement is finished at PM 15:30:30 on January 1st, 2010, the default number is 201011533030. Once the number are input, the number will be saved in default value. 3. Click the All Option tunnel. Enter the subject information accordingly to a patient column. And then click Start. The device begins sample measuring of all tunnels. Every pair of sample will cost about 2 minutes. How to define H.Pylori infection? If DOB greater than or equal to 4.0, it means H.Pylori positive. If DOB less than 4.0, it means H.Pylori negative. Please confirm H.Pylori elimination after treatment if H.Pylori positive. Never change the parameters of the device privately in case it influences the accuracy of the test results. For more information and question, Helicobacter pylori detector, please contact us freely.